Welcome back, viewers. You're watching India Today with me, Sriya Kundu. And at the very top of this segment, we're bringing breaking news to you. This is RSS's big invasion to Ram Mandir stance, wherein the RSS has come out to say 2 days before the Ram Mandir flag hoisting, RSS chief has come out to say, breaking 1,000 years of slavery, invaders trampled us for 1,000 years. Mohan Bhagwat has said this is journey from slavery to Mandir. This is the big comment that's coming from the RSS's chief. And we will quickly listen into what exactly has been said before we proceed to a discussion.
हमारा देश संपूर्ण दुनिया का विश्व गुरु था, अनेक राजाओं के राज्यों से मंडित था, कभी चक्रवर्ती सम्राट भी होते थे। दुनिया का एक बहुत बड़ा संबल भारतवर्ष था, तब भी भारतवर्ष था और 1000 साल तक आक्रामकों के पैरों तले रौंदा गया। पारतंत्र में जीना पड़ा, धर्मस्थलों की सब बातों की हानि हुई, जबरदस्ती मतांतरण होने लगा। ये सब था, तब भी भारत था। वो वैभव के दिन नहीं रहे, वो आक्रमण के दिन भी चले गए। अब राम मंदिर पर झंडा फहराने वाले हैं। तब भी भारत था, अब भी भारत है।
Samarth Srivastava joining us on the broadcast to bring more context to these very remarks made by the RSS chief. Samarth, let us understand what exactly has been said here. This is Mohan Bhagwat coming out with this very comment 2 days before the big ceremony at the Ram Mandir, the flag hoisting ceremony at the Ram Mandir. What is important to understand here is we have been seeing consistent remarks of this kind coming in from Mohan Bhagwat, and this time it's about the Ram Mandir. How are we looking at it?
Very special. Bhagwat is in Lucknow and he will be traveling to Ayodhya because 2 days after there is a flag hoisting ceremony where he will be along with PM Modi, and the flag hoisting ceremony will be held. It's an official announcement that the construction work of Ram Temple is being completed. He clearly said that the country was the Vishwa Guru of the entire world. India was a great country. Back then, he even speaks about those attacks that happened. He says, for 1,000 years, it was trampled under the feet of invaders. We had to live under slavery. Kashi Vishwanath or other temples from Muhammad Ghori to Muhammad Ghaznavi, many attackers came and invaded India, especially targeted the Hindu sites, the temples. That is what Bhagwat is referring here. He says that religious places were destroyed, post-conversion started taking place. All this was there. It was Bharatvarsh even then. Those days of glory are no more. He clearly says here that those days are no more, and now it's a free country. What he clearly says that wo akraman ke din chale gaye. The attackers, be it Gauri, be it other sultans, or what he would say, many Mughals even, they tried to invade many temples. We get a glimpse of Aurangzeb. That's what he is completely referring to, because Ram Mandir is such a massive thing for all the Hindu community people. And that's what Mohan Bhagwat is trying to referring here, because we know PM Modi will be there 2 days after, along with Mohan Bhagwat being there, and it will be the official announcement that the construction work of Ram Temple is being completed. Back to you.
Right, Samarth. Thank you for bringing us all those details into these very comments that's been made. And with that, viewers, we're now shifting focus to some more breaking news coming in.